Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing this 2013 Ford F-150. This is the XLT, which stands for Extra Loaded Truck. It has 103,085 miles on it. Runs super good. It's got the BFGoodrich KO2 tires on it, which I think is a big plus to the ride, and they're all-terrain tires as well. I'll show you those when we get outside. But just backing up into my spot here, this does have a backup monitor in the rear view mirror there, which is nice. And also it's got backup sensors, so if I get too close to the building, it'll beep at me. Really not a lot of nice features on this. Nothing mechanically that I found was wrong with it. All the warning lights are off. There's nothing there indicating any issues there. It does have automatic headlights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control on the steering wheel, radio options here on the steering wheel as well. This is four-wheel drive. You can select it here to 4 high to 4 low. You can also, also has the factory brake controller built in, which is awesome. I love when they have that option on them instead of the aftermarket dude that sits right there and kind of hits your knee. I don't know if you can notice, but it does have blue indirect LED lighting down there. Really gonna look sweet at night. Radio controls up here, AM, FM, Sirius radio, heating and air conditioning controls down below here, and then does have the CD player option there. Coming down here, it's got a couple hookups for phone, both USB and an auxiliary port, as well as a 12-volt power socket. So no issues there. Coming over here into the glove compartment, does have factory books with it. Interior wise, looks really clean for a 2013 pickup truck. Seating for 6. The center console that flips up there and allows for extra seating and extra storage underneath. I ran the vehicle history report on it. It checks out really good. Never been in an accident. Never had any hail damage or anything like that. Overall, really clean report. You see it scores a 91. All right, let's check out the outside. This is a really pretty color on it. I believe the factory calls it, let's see here, they call it a tuxedo black. But it definitely has like a hunter green tint to it. It is a metallic pink, so it's going to sparkle in the sun. It does have the chrome bumper and chrome grille insert, as you can see here. Fog lights in here. Everything looks good up front here. Don't see any issues there. The windshield looks good. There's those BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tires sitting on the 18-inch wheels, or 18-inch wheels sitting on the KO2 tires. However it goes there. 4-door factory running boards there, chrome running boards. Get this unlocked here. Check out the rear. The rear is really spacious in these Ford F-150s. Flip-up seats. Seating for 3, really clean. Doesn't look like this area has been used much in this pickup truck. Bed looks nice. A couple minor scratches right there. Again, 4-wheel drive. It's a chrome bumper on it. You can see the backup sensors in here. It does have a little dimple I noticed there, just a slight dimple on the bumper. Does have bed liner in it. Coming to the passenger side. Side looks real clean. I love those chrome wheels on this pickup truck. Overall, really good condition for its age and miles on this 2013 F-150. Great price on it as well. When you compare this to the price of new trucks, and this truck still has a ton of life in it. Still is equipped very well as well, being the XLT. So if you have any, or if you need any more information, feel free to contact us. I hope this review you found helpful and aids in your purchasing decision. I'll post some links below that'll help in your buying decision, both with price, finance, and trade. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.